When looking for something that is small, lightweight, and full of features, then look no further than the Flagstaff Microlite. As soon as you step inside, you can sense the luxury with a beautiful interior and gorgeous cabinetry. The cabinets are screwed and glued solid wood cabinet doors with hidden hinges, metal drawer glides, and residential hardware. Since we are marveling at the cabinets, let's check out the rest of the kitchen. You'll get a 21-inch gas oven, a microwave, and a 3-burner high-output gas range with flush mount glass top cover. To keep things cool, you'll get a 12-volt fridge with a gas electric fridge option. When you're ready to prep or clean, the undermount double bowl sink with a residential style faucet certainly does the trick. When it comes to climate control, every Forest River Flagstaff Microlite comes with a 15,000 BTU AC, and you get a 35,000 BTU furnace on most models. Folks, for a travel trailer this size, that is huge. Let's take a peek into the bathroom. The Microlite bathroom has a foot flush toilet, bathroom skylight, and the Shower Miser water-saving system to eliminate water waste when waiting for your shower to heat up. For privacy and sleeping, you'll get night roller shades, and when they are down, you may end up taking a nap in the theater seats. They're certainly comfortable enough. If you want, you can opt for the tri-fold sofa on most models. When it comes to entertainment, every Flagstaff Microlite comes with a 12-volt TV complete with stereo that has Bluetooth control. For controlling nearly everything in the Microlite, you have one central control station, of which you can control with the One Control app on your smartphone. When it comes to exterior features, you'll love the strut-assisted fold-out entry steps found on most models. You'll also find an adjustable power awning with LED lights and outside speakers. Plus, you have a choice of exterior colors, which is rare for most travel trailers. You can opt for a crisp white or champagne tan. And both look great when paired with the molded fiberglass front cap and the automotive front window. When it's time to watch TV, you'll enjoy the Teton all-in-one Wi-Fi booster, LTE prep, and antenna. Plus, there's cable and satellite hookup too. Setting up a Microlite is a breeze thanks to a powered tongue jack as well as 4 stabilizer jacks with a power option. Cooking outside is easy as well thanks to the Flagstaff Microlite coming with an outside griddle with LP hookup. Not to worry about draining the LP quickly either. You get two 30-pound LP tanks. That's a ton for a travel trailer this size and perfect if you plan on venturing deeper into the woods. Other exterior features include an outside shower with hot and cold water access, spare tire with cover and carrier, a rear ladder, black tank flush, antifreeze station, backup camera prep, and side solar prep. Plus, you'll get a 200-watt solar roof-mounted panel with a 1,000-watt inverter. Some models also have a power package option, which includes a 400 amp-hour Mastervolt lithium battery with safety disconnect, a whopping 5 200-watt solar panels, 5-inch Mastervolt touchscreen smart remote, and more. That's an incredible solar package built for the true boondocker. Another couple options that you may want to consider are slide toppers and the optional tongue mount bike rack. When it comes to construction, you won't be disappointed. You'll get 6-sided aluminum cage construction and aluminum cage dinette bases and beds. The walls and roof are vacuum laminated and include Azdel composite panels, which are lighter than Luan and won't absorb moisture. More prevention comes with the radiant foil insulated underbelly that helps keep you warm, plus keeps critters out where they belong. Most Flagstaff Microlites are around 25 feet and hover close to 5,500 pounds unloaded. Flagstaff Microlites are designed mostly for the camping couple. However, there is a family-friendly bunkhouse I want to point out. The 25 BRDS can sleep up to an amazing 8. Double over double bunks, large U-dinette, and the versatile Murphy bed are all places for you or the kids to sleep. The 25 BRDS has an extendable kitchen counter as well as a nice outside kitchen with beverage fridge. The camping couple has a lot of floor plans from which to choose, so let's go over some select models. The 21DS is a rear bath model with a large U-dinette and a slide that's good for sharing a meal, playing games, or as a sleeping space for guests. Up front, the Murphy bed system acts as a sofa in the day and a camp queen bed at night. The 21 FBRS has a permanent centered queen bed up front, a sofa in the slide out, and an indoor-outdoor table. Fold it up and place it under the awning for outdoor dining. The 21 FBRS can sleep up to 3. The 25 FKBS is a unique travel trailer designed to sleep 2, but you can opt for a hide-to-bed sofa so you can sleep 4. Up front, there's a very sizable kitchen with tons of counter space and theater seats and a slide out across from the entertainment center with a fireplace. An easy stroll gets you to the impressively large bedroom with its queen bed and a slide across from a large wardrobe closet. The bedroom also has a private entry from the exterior. Whether you're boondocking or camping with full hookup, the Flagstaff Microlite has something you'll love. Find your Flagstaff Microlite at rv.campingworld.com.